this video, we're going to discuss perhaps the most important terminology in the entire course. And it all has to do with buying and selling stocks. Remember the candy bar analogy with the two lines? Remember how we classified the two sides? One as the buyers, or the bid side, and the other as the sellers, or the ask side. Well, there is a third part to this, and that is the last, meaning the last trade price transaction that occurred. The bid, ask, and last are known as level 1. All brokers should give you real-time level 1 data. The difference between the bid and the ask is called the spread. For example, if the best seller wants to sell for $4 and the best buyer wants to buy for $3, then there is a $1 spread between the best bid and the best ask. If this were the case, some traders would maybe say there's a lot of potential for slippage, meaning if the buyer decides to meet the seller at the asking price at $4 and then wanted to sell it right away, they would have a hard time selling it at $4. They would likely have to go down to get closer to the next bidder that was around $3, giving some slippage, possibly around $1, just because the spread is so large. The other thing that the buyer and seller have to tell their broker is how many shares they want to trade. This is sometimes shown on level 1, but will almost always be shown on level 2. Level 2 is the bigger picture of level 1. Level 1 only shows the front person of each line, whereas level 2 shows the top few people of each line with their position size and bid or ask price. A lot of the smaller cap traders will focus heavily on level 2. They will essentially be analyzing each side of the line to get a feeling and trying to understand which side is stronger. Another thing they will look at is the order tape, also known as times and sells. This shows the last trades occurring in real time with their position size and if the trade took place on the bid, the ask, or somewhere in the middle. Some traders don't use level 2 or the tape at all, and others rely heavily on it. Typically, the shorter term traders like a scalp trader or a day trader will be using level 2 or the order tape, or even both. Other day traders and swing traders and investors may never even check level 2 or the order tape. It is all up to the trader and their strategy. Lastly, you have probably heard people talk about long and short, bulls and bears. Long is when you buy into a position, like buying a stock. If you are buying the stock, then you are wanting the price to increase in value. Any position you are wanting the stock to increase in value is considered a bullish position. On the other hand, if you short a stock, you are looking for the price to go down in value. Any position you are in that you want the stock to go down in value is considered a bearish position. Move on to the next video and we'll dive deeper on how a short position works. So I'll see you there.